Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you a fun Chrome extension that can add funny effects, colorful surprises, and entertaining animations to almost any website. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now you will search the extension called Cordify. Then click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once installed, you will see the extension icon in your browser toolbar. Click on the extension icon. Now mark it as pin. Now open any website. Like it can be Google, YouTube, or any random page. After opening this website, activate the extension. Click on the extension. And here you will see. Now click anywhere on the page or use the extension shortcut. You will instantly start seeing colorful effects, funny animation, and playful surprises. We'll see. The more you click, the more full fun effects will appear. Try it on different websites. Like now opening Gmail. Click on the extension. Here you will see it will also change the font. Great for pranks. This extension great for pranks or just having fun with friends. So that's it. That's how you can turn boring website into fun pages using a simple Chrome extension. If you enjoyed this trick, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.